Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today is pretty neat. Okay, it's a little triangle, kind of colorful. Okay, they want to know what x is. X equals question mark. That's what they want to know. Okay, hey, we can solve for this. Okay, they gave you a couple little hints here. Okay, at least one big one. Okay, and what they did is they drew this little, see this little square in here? Well, this little square, okay, stands for 90 degrees. It's a 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle, okay? That's an angle of 90 degrees, okay? So they tell us that, okay? So what that tells you is line E and DC are perpendicular to each other. That means, yeah, let me get this green right here. That means that this angle here is 90 degrees also, okay? Because we remember we learned straight line? Straight line is 180 degrees, okay? So all they did was divide that straight line in half. See, they just drew it in half. So they gave you 90 on one side, 90 on another, okay? But that's going to help us solve it. So that means O and the blue equals 180. So let's do 180 minus 139. Okay, what do we got here? We got a 41 degrees. So O equals 41. Okay, so now they're telling you that, remember that little square tells you that's 90. So that means 90 minus the 41 equals X. Okay, so hey, what do we got here? We got a 9. We got a 49. 49 equals X. And that's it. Square this off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 49. So 49 equals X. 49 equals X. And that was all there was to it. But you see how just by knowing like that little square equals 90 degrees and straight line equals 180, and that means E is perpendicular to DC, okay? So that's all you had to know, okay? Here, let me mark this down here. So it's E, and it's CD, line CD. And that was all there was to it, because we know that's 180 degrees. They split it in two, so one side's 90, the other side's 90. And just by knowing those few little things, you're able to solve this type of problem, and you're able to solve it kind of quick. Remember, you see how I kind of wrote the math all down instead of doing a lot of this in my head? Because what I want to do is at the end of this test, if I got time, hey, I want to go back. I want to redo this. 90 minus 41. Is it 49? I want to add up 10. Yeah, that's 9. Then I want to add the 41 into the 139 over here. So I got a 10. Yep, that equals it. Okay, so that one checks off, and this one checks off. Okay, because you could make silly mistakes. And a lot of times if they're giving you multiple choice answers, they might have 39 down for X, 59 down for X. So if you're off by 10, hey, you could be putting the wrong one down, okay? So always write nice and neat and go back and check your work at the end. Never be the first one to turn in any test or quiz. Always be the last one. Hey, they're shutting the lights out, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings a lot, and more people will see this. If you know any students in school, please show this to them, okay? Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.